Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna show you something very different. The different techniques for how to make the Amatriciana at home. So here in Luciano, actually we don't use the pit tomato, but we make the tomato sauce from fresh tomato. So find the nice tomato and then you start how to make your tomato sauce. So you have to wash properly before and after. You cut the tomato in 4 parts. Actually, for 6 portion or 4 portion, we use 10 tomatoes. Okay. Almost done, then. Done. The tomato is ready, and then we start with celery. We just use 2 pieces of celery. It's very important to wash the celery very well because it's very dirty underneath. So we wash. And then the same what we did with tomato. It's important, you saw, must be very big piece, no small one, okay? Have to be big, okay? And then you put all the celery, little bit leaves as well. And then after 3 carrots, maybe no, sorry, 4 carrots. It depends. If you have a big one, 3. If you have like this one, medium size, 4 is enough. So it's also here. It's very important. Don't remove the skin. You have just washed properly the carrots. Okay. After, okay, we remove, okay, and then we do the same on the celery, big piece, okay, and at the end we put 1 onion. We remove all the skin. Cioè, livella veramente adesso. Okay. After we cut the onion, also in big piece. It doesn't matter, must be big. Okay. After this, we remove what we don't have. We don't need. That. Sorry guys, tiramisu for the customer. So now here we have a big tray full of the ingredients. So we have tomato, onion, celery, and carrots. Actually, the people when they make the traditional matriciana, they don't use the celery, carrots, and celery and carrots. Actually, they use only onion. Okay. But I decided to put all of these ingredients inside the sauce because this is like a rustic tomato sauce. So, because now I'm gonna show you what happened. So, We put salt on top. Okay. And olive oil. Okay. After this, the tomato is ready, and then we bake it. So we put in the oven. So 100. 180 degrees. Okay. For 40 minutes. Done. And then we wait. So now the tomato is ready. You see? You can see it's a little bit soft. It's very soft. Also the celery, the carrots, they are soft. So we just keep the tomato. Okay, now some more olive oil. And then we blend with a hand blender. So now I try. It's perfect. So we don't need to put any more salt. Okay. So the sauce is ready. We remove the hand blender. We need to strain a little bit with a chinois. Okay, and then with a ladle we push a little bit down. You saw? Why we do this? We do this process for split the skin from the juice of tomato. Okay, so all the fiber, all the skin. So that's why we strain a little bit. Now the sauce is very smooth. So we are ready for cook the pasta. So actually here in Luciano Cucina Italiana for make Amatriciana we use mezze maniche, half leaves, like this one. Okay, it's like a rigatone but half size. So we cook pasta and then we start to prep the base of our Amatriciana. So here we have our guanciale. We cut in the same size what we use for the carbonara. Same size, big cubes like this one. And then we start to deep fry in the pan. So We turn on, the pan is very low, okay? Then we keep some guanciale, okay, and then we put on the pan. You see, the pan it's not cold. It's cold. It's not hot. So until we're waiting for the guanciale, we start to prep the base for the amatriciana. So we need some chili, okay, fresh chili. We like this very spicy. And then we have some whole guanciale fat. We use like olive oil. If you don't want to use the fat, you can use also the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. It doesn't matter, okay? But actually we use the guanciale, the fat from guanciale because we really like the taste of pork cheeks. So that's why. Now we put a little bit more high. Also we start to fry a little bit so the guanciale is working now. We start make some. The chili is almost ready. We remove a little bit fat, a little bit more. A touch of fat we remove. Okay, and then tomato sauce. Ale, c'è sta qualche pezzo qua che è gigante, poi io gli danno l'italiano. So, the pasta is ready. We remove all the fat, okay? Okay, and guanciale in. This one we keep safe for next one. And after we finish with that. Pecorino cheese, only pecorino, ok? Aspetta. Sto sauce. that. Wait, this one is just to make more nice because there's two sauce. The tomato sauce is a lot. Nice. So, and now we finish with a little bit more cheese, and then we are ready for plating the Amatriciana. So, you see now the color is a little bit light, but this one is it depends of the kind of tomato what you use. So, actually, we use the tomato. It was red, but it was very. It was too. I forgot the words. It was too red, so it's not maturo. It was very.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Was a little bit yellow inside.
Okay.
That's why. Actually, when we put olive oil, we make emulsion. So we put inside the hair, so the hair make the colors a little bit more light. That's why. So now the Amatriciana is ready, and then we are ready to plate. Guanciale. And then we finish with some parmesan and pecorino cheese on top. So, this is our Amatriciana from Luciano Cucina Italiana. Enjoy. Questo mi avrà richiamato? Sì, però. I bicchieri ti faccio pure io.
Sì, 2 settimane vanno via, almeno.
Sì, per non passare il prezzo. Mo c'è prezzo.
Allergeni e cose.
No, sai che da quello ce l'ho fatto.
Ah, già fatto te?
Dai!